Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am from United Public School. Welcome to social subject from 9th class.
Student, what we learned in previous video in third chapter hydrosphere. In that we complete our stages of water cycle. Okay, how many stages are there, ma? 6 stages. What are they? Evaporation, transportation, condensation, precipitation, runoff, groundwater. We learned these stages in previous video. Okay, today we will go through the next topic. Today's our topic is water sources. Okay, 97.2169% of water is saline ocean water and only 2.7831% is fresh water. The greatest portion of the fresh water, 69.56%, is in the form of ice and permanent snow covered in the Antarctica and Arctic, and in the mountains region 30.1% exit as fresh groundwater. Only 0.34% of the total amount of fresh water on the earth is concentrated in lakes, reservoirs and river system where it is most easily accessible for our needs and absolutely vital for the water ecosystem. In our planet, 97.2169% so of water is saline water. On how many percent of the saline water is there? 97.2169% of the saline water. Saline water means salt water. Okay, this saline water is available in oceans and seas. So this saline water is available on oceans and sea. So how much percent water is available in ocean and sea? 97.2169%. Okay. Among that, 2.7831% is fresh water. Only 2.7831% is fresh water. Remaining 97% is saline water. Salt water is there. Okay. Only 2.7839% is fresh water. Okay. So on the planet, among the 2.7831% of water, see here 69.56% fresh water in the form of ice. Okay, these 69.56% of fresh water is in the form of ice and permanent snow is there. Okay, so where we can see this snow, permanent snow, we can see in Antarctica and Arctic region. Okay, so 30.1% is groundwater and 0.34 is water is available in lake, reservoirs and river system. Okay, these 2.7831 we can think that it is a 100%. Okay, this is considered as 100%. Among these 100%, 69.56% is of fresh water is in the form of ice and permanent snow, where we can see these in Antarctic and Arctic region. Okay, 30.1% groundwater and 0.34% is available in lakes and reservoirs and river system. So total how much percentage is there? 100%. So less than 1% of water we have to use. Okay, less than 1% of water we have to use. Our planet is considered as blue planet. No, our planet is considered as blue planet. Only 71%. Only 71% of Earth is covered with water body. Okay, only 71% is covered with Earth is covered with water bodies. Okay, remaining 29% is land. 71% water and 29% is land. Okay. Next, see oceans. Continents and ocean are the first order relief feature of the earth. The large water body are called ocean. The geographer had divided the ocean part of the earth into 5 oceans, namely Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Southern Ocean is also known as Antarctic Ocean. Okay. So how many oceans are there? First of all, tell me students, ocean and continents are first order land form. Okay, it is oceans and continent are first order land form. So how the oceans are formed? Due to rainfall. How the oceans form? Due to rainfall, the oceans will be formed. So what is ocean? Oceans is large body large water body are called ocean. Okay, what is ocean? Large water bodies are called ocean. So how many oceans we have? We have 5 oceans. What are they? Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Antarctic Ocean and Arctic Ocean. So the geographer has divided the oceanic part into 5 oceans. So what is geographer? Who is called geographer? One who study about the geography, major oceanic division defined by oceans and continents known as geographer. Okay, you can divide the oceanic part into 5 oceans. We have 5 oceans now: Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Antarctic and Arctic oceans. Okay, in that we have 5 oceans. Now come to the sea. The word sea is often used interchangeably with ocean. With strictly speaking, a sea is a body of saline water partly or fully enclosed by land. The major oceanic divisions are defined in part by the continents, various archipelagoes and other criteria. See the table below for more information. Note that the table is in descending order in terms of size. Okay, first tell me student, what is sea? So what we see first? Sea. The word sea is often used with ocean. Okay, the word sea is often used with ocean. So what is sea here? Sea is a body of saline water. It is partly or fully enclosed by land. Okay, so what is sea? Sea is a body of saline water. It is partly or fully enclosed by land. It is known as sea. Okay, the major oceanic division and continents or archipelagoes means chain of a island. It is known as archipelago. Okay, see the major oceanic division are defined in part by the continents, various archipelagoes and other criteria. So the major oceanic division and continents are archipelagoes. So archipelagoes means chain of island. It is known as archipelagoes and other criteria. See the table below for more information. Note that the table is in a descending order in terms of size. We have 5 oceans and we have to see where these oceans are. Okay, now see the first rank. The Pacific Ocean is at first rank. So where is this Pacific Ocean? See, separated Asia and Oceanic. Okay, where it's come? It is come on Australia, New Land, Papua New Guinea together from the America. Okay, now see the second rank is Atlantic Ocean. It is separated the America from Europe and Africa. Where is Atlantic Ocean is separated from America from Europe and Africa. Now see the third rank, Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean is the third rank. It is washes upon southern Asia and separated from Africa and Australia. Okay, now see the fourth one, Antarctic Ocean, sometimes considered an extension of Pacific, Atlantic and Indian Ocean which encircle Antarctic. Now see the fifth one, the Arctic Ocean, sometimes considered a sea of Atlantic which covers much of the Arctic and washes upon North America and Eurasia. So you have to see the globe. In that we are you can better understood. Okay. Now come to the, do you know? Millions of years ago, oceans were combined together. The single super ocean was known as Panthalassa. Okay, millions of years ago, oceans were combined together. Millions of years ago, what happened? Oceans are combined together. The single super ocean we call as Panthalassa. Okay. Now see formal oceanography. What is the meaning of oceanography? The study about ocean is known as oceanography. Okay. Investigation began only with the British expedition of Challenger, the first successfully worldwide deep sea expedition. The formal oceanographer investigation began only with the British. Okay. Who will investigate here? Began only with the British expedition of Challenger, the first successfully worldwide deep sea expedition. In that we complete our ocean water sources and ocean water. How many oceans are there? We can know what is ocean and what is sea, and how much percentage of water is there and how much percentage of the fresh water is there. We learn in today's class. Okay. In that we complete our water sources and oceans. And the remaining part we will discuss in next class. So today's your assignment. Now see the second one question here. Correct the false statement. You have to correct the false statement. Okay. We have up to D option. A option, B, C, D. This is your second one is your assignment homework. So copy the second one and send the answer in our group. Okay. Correct the false statement. You have to correct the false statement. Okay. So copy this question in your social notebook and send the answer in our group. Thank you.